Good evening, sir. I am representing group number 11 for the full course 8150 group case study assignments in supply chain functionality. I have other four partners, Payal, Gagan, Harinder Kaur Mavi, and Anchal Rajput. Here we are here we are describing our projects that based on home delivery of groceries and their meat kit delivery services according to our past learned in supply chain functionality. In present scenario, consumer is demanding home delivery services for their groceries. Right now, market have less services for home delivery and our project will describing the possible ways to achieve market demand by implementing effective supply chain. Project have the part of product development section for developing the product that will be cook and eat within 30 minutes of period. Report is also trying to achieve their highest level of accomplishment by providing new product recipe, their production flowchart, supply chain of finished product along with their feedback and waste system. Project report also conclude effective business plan and operations management for introduction of new product and description of supply chain steps, for example, procurement, transportation, storage, etc. We selected our company name is PJ Foods and the rest of the parts will be covered by responsible person in project phase. Thank you.
Very good evening to you, sir. I hope you and your family is doing well. Um, my name is Payal, and and we are just completed our introduction part of meal kit delivery services of PJ Food. We have discovered a cauliflower crust pizza. So I'm gonna discuss about a few more steps of it. So I'm gonna talk about its recipes, method of cooking, and then I'll be talking about flowchart of supply chain. So I'm gonna talk about first about the recipe and the method how it is being cooked. So for the cauliflower crust pizza, we have included cauliflower eggs, breadcrumbs, salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning and oil. Obviously, this recipe is more healthier than the regular pizzas because they are made up of wheat, which consists of so much of calories in it. Moreover, it is like refined flour, which does not give any kind of fiber and all. So we have included a nutritional crust, which will be favorable for all kind of people. uh, Everybody can enjoy this pizza. Now, coming up to the toppings, we have included both meat and non-meat toppings. Then we have sauce and cheese. We have not included like much more sauces in our menu, but we have included a little amount of it so that once our business is set up, then we will include more sauces to it. But for now, we are giving pizza sauce, Alfredo sauce, pesto garlic sauce, barbecue sauce, and for cheese, we are giving mozzarella cheese, feta cheese, ricotta cheese, American cheese. I'm sorry about that. That's feta cheese, not the sauce. I'm sorry. Now let's talk about the cooking method of it. For crust, we obviously need cauliflowers. We need to follow proper good hygiene practices. For making the cauliflower, we need to take care of our GMPs and everything so that we manufacture a good quality and a safe quality food for people. So this is the recipe. So once we made a crust, so we're gonna keep it for in a storage. Once we get the orders, we'll make it. We'll take out the crust, we sauce it, we cheese it, we top it, and we bake it for 350 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. And then we do the quality check and we pack that into a delivery box and we send it to delivery. As I have discussed about the ingredients required, we are gonna now have a look on the flowchart of the supply chain from where we gonna get all the ingredients. Let's talk about the producers. So we gonna procure all the ingredients from these from all of these. First of all, we're gonna get vegetable meat from poultry farm, vegetable farm, and abattoir. For spices, flour, sauce, cheese, and other ingredients, we're gonna check with retail stores. And for the packaging stuff such as plastic wrappers, cardboard box, and aluminium foil, we are also gonna check for retail stores. Now let's talk about the transportation. Obviously, we need transportation, so we have our own cabs and our vehicles from which. Now let's talk about the transportation. Obviously, we need transportation, so we have our own cabs and our vehicles from which we get uh, we get transported our one stuff to our organization. Then the processing, storage, and distribution step. So for the again transportation, we are gonna transport through our, we have delivery men, so we're gonna deliver it to the customers, and then we'll be having to the retail store, which I've talked about, the unbaked one. We are gonna sell it in the retail stores. And then the waste disposal and feedback, we'll always ask for the feedback of the customers. And for the other informations, my other fellow mates gonna perform in that. Thank you. And if you want to order a pizza, then the information is on the at the second last slide, so you can contact us and call us, and you can order pizza anytime. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hello, sir. My name is Anchal Rajput, and my student number is 86757090. And our project is meal kit delivery services, and the name of my company is PJ Foods. And this is a group project. We are mainly 5 members in our project, and our project is on cauliflower crust pizza. Well, we have covered different aspects while making our project, but here I'm going to introduce you with my point, which is operation and management. Well, it includes main 6 points, and I'm going to start all these 6 points. The first one is the procurement. Well, our meal cauliflower crust pizza consists of vegetarian ingredients as well as the non-vegetarian ingredients, so the procurement requirement for all should be different. The first one is the vegetable procurement. Well, our meal consists of different types of vegetables like herbs, onions, green peppers, black olives, green olives, pineapples, mushroom, so they can directly obtain from the farmers. The second one is the seasoning procurement. So all the seasonings like sausages, like pizza sauce, alfredo sauce, pesto sauce are available from the local supermarket. The third one is for the meat product procurement. Well, our meal consists of a good portion of a meat like pepperoni, bacon, ham, beef, sausages, and so on. As we know, the meats are the secondary processors, so they are directly obtained from the meat producers. The second one is in my operation management point is the storage. Well, it consists of two different requirements for the raw material and for the finished product. Like for the raw material, all the procured material should be stored under the cold storage with the HACCP plan, and there are some special requirements for the meat products because they are easily prone to the spoilage, so they are stored at minus 18 degrees Celsius. As if we talk about the vegetables are stored for between 0 to minus 4 degrees Celsius, and like for the other rest of the ingredients, they can store at ambient temperature. And if we talk about the finished product, if we want to store our finished product for like 2 to 4 days, we can store them in at the refrigeration temperature. But if we'll want to store them for the longer period of time, like for the month or 2 months, we should store them for the at the freezer to maintain its freshness. The third one is assembly plant. Like we should need assembly plant which contains all the mandatory facilities like for the raw material, processing area, packaging area, and a warehouse. The next one is for the packaging. Like packaging, vacuum packaging is very important to prevent the cross contamination of all the ingredients. Like all the ingredients should be packed in the small packets. And if we talk about the final packaging, the cardboards are used for the packaging because it prevents to enter the moisture and make the inner content soggy. So cardboard is used for the packaging of the final product. The fifth part is transportation and the delivery system. Well, the delivering or transporting the meal is a big challenge for supply chain. For most of these, there is a pizza chain delivers the pizza to customers. Nowadays, contamination of all the ingredients, like all the ingredients should be packed in the small packets. And if we talk about the final packaging, the cardboards are used for the packaging because it prevents to enter the moisture and make the inner content soggy. So cardboard is used for the packaging of the final product. The fifth part is transportation and the delivery system. Well, the delivering or transporting the meal is a big challenge for supply chain. For most of these, there is a pizza chain delivers the pizza to customers. Nowadays, people can also order their meal from the company's website through the online, and some they are the pizza delivers are also which deliver the pizza to the customer with the help of automobiles like motorized scooters, cars, or other vehicle. The last is the sixth, which is the feedback. Well, customer service department also developed the feedback system to get feedback from their customers so that they can improve their quality and their product specifications. They can also have make their website so that people can comment on their comment section or add their feedback, so to improve the further improvements, and it is also help in the betterment of company. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Gagandeep Kaur and here I am representing the team number 11, and my topic is the marketing plan. The main purpose of marketing plan is to enhance the sales and to show the people about the services of the company and the health value of the product which we are selling, as well as meet the customer satisfaction by providing them food of their choices. As we know, we made a great strategy to make this business successful. We chose the places with great population like colleges, busy streets, people with small families. These people prefer to buy meal kits instead of spending huge amount of money to buy the things and the single ingredients, as it saves their time as well. These food kits have all types of ingredients with high nutritional value, and people will buy these products undoubtedly. To sell our product, we will create a website. Our website will contain all the information about the product and ingredients which have been used in it. Along with this, we will make it in such a way so that customers can easily approach to it and buy things which they want with affordable prices. It will clearly show the menu list with prices so that people could choose their favorite and they could place the order. We will provide some drinks as well along with the food list with combined prices to make ease for the customers. Next, other than this, to provide the more information about our product and services, we plan to introduce our product in wholesale market only in the starting period of company development. Our plan is to provide surprising discount to them who subscribe us. Along with this, we will provide exciting deals and discounts to the regular customers time to time. We have more plans to provide some special discount on first purchase and provide them coupons. Like if they buy 5 kits, the 6th one will be free for them. As we know, feedback is very important to make improvement in any business. So our website will provide a feedback so customers could give their feedback. This form will be available online, or customers can directly give their feedback to the food places. They can make comments and give suggestions about the meal kit and how to improve the product quality and value if there is any mistake. That's it. Thank you very much.
Hello sir, how are you? Hope everything would be fine with you. It's Harinder Kaur Mavi. My team members are Payal, Anshul, Ashish and Gagan. I'm here to represent PG Foods. My party's executive summary. First of all, in today's scenario, customer demand is increasing day by day in case of homemade food. So they like urban people mostly like that food because they have sometimes no time to make their own food because of their busy schedule. So our team member decided to complete their request of ready to cook food so that they can prepare it by self at home and enjoy that meal. Our organization name is PJ Foods. So we just highlighted it as a PCCP, it's a pre-baked cauliflower crust pizza. So this whole sentence attract customers' focus, and it also represents pizza specialty. Non-meat and meat ingredients are obtained from producers as well as secondary processors. Spices, seasoning sauces are also obtained from retail stores. Packaging material obtained from wholesale superstores. All these ingredients are stored at organizational facility, so they are kept at favorable conditions. Next one is like in order to prepare tasty pizza, we just need all necessary ingredients like crust pizza. That one is pre-baked. We need seasonings, sauces, toppings, cheese, and spices as well. So when our pre-baked pizza is ready, then we just deliver it in a well-designed cardboard box through transportation by keeping it at -30-degree temperature in order to maintain its freshness as well as shelf life. Our organization will also make a website through which buyers can order pizza within no time. So that's like our website is pccp@gmail.com. So this fast tech service would be very helpful for them, and they can enjoy pizza while sitting at home. So from the perspective view of progress and development, our organization made a movement to grow deal in a market so that they can satisfy customer needs and also promote healthier options in the market, and it will be very helpful, and it will be more helpful for our customer as well. So next one is a promotional pamphlet. So this also represent all website, contact number, and also characteristics of our food. So that's all my part. So thank you so much.